woven star, and here's a picture of it. It's a 12-inch finished block, and here is the diagram, the piecing diagram. And there are no special techniques used for this block. All of the pieces are cut and just sewn together, squares and triangles. Here are the fabric requirements and how to cut them, and there are no AccuQuilt dies that would cut these that I know of. There might be some, but there's a lot of different triangles here and I couldn't find all of them. And all we're going to do is cut them, lay them out, and refer to the diagram as we lay them out. These are all the pieces of fabric cut, and we're basically going to start in the center and do a 4-patch, and we're going to add triangles after that. And here are the pieces all cut. You cut squares, and 2 you cut on the diagonal once, and 1 set you cut on the diagonal twice. These are all 4 layers of fabric. We have 4 different fabrics here. So all these are 4 layers. Now let's just lay out the block. Now I started with the 4-patch in the center, and I'm going to lay out everything on my prop-it board so I can just take the board right to my sewing machine. See, these are going to go. These are going to the outside, these are going to the inside. So I need to. Okay, there, I'll put it together. It looks like we have some left over, but I don't know why these are left over, so I'll need to check that. Now we're going to sew this together, and I'm just going to start here in the middle and go out. All right, I have the block finished, and I really do like this block, but before I show you the rest of it, these pieces over here, I had written the instructions wrong and cut an extra one of these, so this won't be in your instructions. These are the big pieces for the flying geese. Now these smaller ones that are here in these little corners, you will have 2 extra of each one just because of the way you have to cut it for the size. So that can be in your little scrap bin, and these will be in mine. So here it is, the finished block, and I really do like this block. I haven't made this block before, and it's really kind of chaotic. I like all the craziness going on, and I like all the bright colors. So here's the back, and of course now I'm pressing all my seams open all the time. And there's the front. Thank you so much for watching.